So I think there's 12 weeks before my birthday, but I'm not sure, so we're gonna go check. Okay, it is January 12th at the moment. So we're gonna count from this week because it's about to be Sunday until my birthday. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, I was 1 week off. I was literally 1 week off. Haha, we're gonna clean my room because it's a mess. Alright, this is my bed. And I have to wash my stuff today. This is where the closet is supposed to be. The closet looks fine. It's just everything under the closet. Alright, now we move over here. This is not actually my guitar. My guitar's right here in the case. But this guitar is broke. The strings are broke. So yeah, tore my room white, it's a mess. And yeah, that's a mess. And then we just gotta make up all the beds and stuff. So yeah, let's do this. Yo, I didn't even notice, but it is raining outside. Like, look at that road. It has been raining all morning and I didn't even know. I sent out a letter yesterday and it is still there. Sorry. I sent out a letter yesterday and it is still in there. So I guess with the government shutdown that they have decided that the movement's not gonna run anymore. So okay, so Natalie is.
Dang, don't expose me here.
No, I'm not. But Kenan's what she's doing. She's like doing her calendar stuff. So yeah. She's like, it's 2019, guys. Alright, tell them what we're watching.
No.
Tell them what we're watching.
I already did.
No, you didn't.
You did?
Nuh-uh, it's not recorded. It wasn't recording.
Why?
Because it wasn't recording.
I look like crap.
Tell them what we're watching.
Donald Trump.
You sound so enthusiastic. Okay, so we're watching. Oh my goodness, look at the balls in my hair. We're watching his national address to the nation, which is gonna be really cool. And can't wait to see what he has to say. Are you excited? Why?
Why would I be excited? There's no reason to be excited.
What if he's like the Purge today? So I got some room spray and I'm gonna spray my room. It just makes your room smell better, and it's spring rose. My parents got it at Five and Below. And it comes in a really pretty case. You just like plop and then put that on top, but it literally takes absolutely forever to get out, but not then. Okay, so the camera that I use isn't a vlog camera, so you have no idea how difficult it is for me to record this with a Canon EOS 7D super lens. So this has been really hard for me to film, but I'm devoted, so yeah. So one of the last things that I do every night is I read my Bible, and I also do Bible stories with my my little brother. So right now, me and him, we've been doing this for quite a while now, and 100 days. So it's pretty cool. These books are great. I totally recommend these if you have younger siblings or a class or anything of that sort that's right to the T, right to the point, stories in order. So I have book 10, but they go from books 1 to 10. Yes, I'm out of breath for absolutely no reason. Don't know why I did that. But this is my study journal. I have lots of these. I got this one for Christmas, so as you can tell by the date. So I just noticed I didn't get to show you my outfit for the day. So I just got my yellow stripes on. My hair is just yep. And then these pants are actually blue, but they look black. But I got some blue pants on and some Birks. So maybe if I scoot back. Yes, outfit of the day. How do you think that's so funny? Oh, don't move it. I think it's all the way down. Oh. No, it's all the way down. Okay, so I just changed into my night clothes. It's 10:05, and I kind of really like how I look today. For some reason, I kind of really like how I look. Not looking at the lens, and it kind of makes me sad. So we're gonna turn Betty Boo around. Oh. And okay. I feel like it's like crooked. I've just been feeling really sad today for some reason, and yesterday, so I don't really know why. No particular reason. I watched this video, and ever since then, it's just been kind of sad. I'm stressed about college too, because I don't know if I want to go to college. If I do want to go to college, I mean, it's just 2 years. I don't even know what I want to do. Yeah. So, that's that.